Hello, I'm the Reverend Paul Aiello, the interim minister here at the North Hills Community Baptist Church. We have several prayer concerns that were lifted up during worship this week. I would like to share them with you now so that you may join us in prayer for these people that have come to our attention. Please be in prayer for Linda Wagner as she struggles with some health issues. She recently traveled to Texas to find out what needed to be done, and she's back home now. But Linda Wagner. Also, we ask you to be in prayer for Flo Bruckman. She's been having difficulty moving around this week, and she's been hospitalized and waiting to be transferred to a rehab facility. Please pray for her health and for her family as they care for her. Also, we ask you to be in prayer for Rhonda Lyon. She's in the hospital. Pray for her, her medical team, the doctors, and her family as they support her during this time of difficulty. Please pray for Sue Clark's nephew, Dan, and his family. He's currently in a halfway house after completing rehab for alcohol abuse. Ask the Lord to help him as he tries to get his life back on track again. Lynn Burney's brother, Kevin, will be having surgery this Tuesday, so please be in prayer for him, for the doctors, the medical professionals, as they seek to find what they need to do and for a quick recovery. Please be in prayer for Karen, a friend of Pauline Springs, who's battling bone cancer, as well as for her doctors and family, and all those who are her caregivers. Remember and pray for those affected by the Tree of Life shooting. It was 4 years ago this past week when that occurred, and the healing that still needs to take place in the lives of all those who were affected. We also ask you to be in prayer for the family of Lynn Harvey, her son Josh and Adam and daughter Courtney, as they mourn her death. There will be a memorial service this Friday morning at St. Teresa's Roman Catholic Church in Perrysville. Again, that is for Lynn Harvey. Cindy Binns asked us to be in prayer for her brother David. A CT scan showed a large mass in his lungs, and that is of quite concern to them. So please be in prayer for David. Also pray for Cindy's cousins, Michelle and Kimberly, as they face many health issues. Also, we want to lift up those people who are having birthdays this week. Amy Mendocino, Vicki Ammer, and Alec Sarowick. If you know these folks, reach out to them and let them know that you celebrate with them another year of life and health. Thank you very much for your prayer support, especially too for the various ministries in this church. This Wednesday we will be observing All Souls Day at 6:30 here in the sanctuary. And if you have a loved one that you want to honor and just give thanks to God for and would like to remember during a special time of worship, you're invited to join us here. It will not be live streamed. And again, we will be supporting one another in prayer as we recall those saints who've gone before us who had a big impact in our lives. Thank you. Take care. Have a good week. Bye.